Hey guys, so there's only one chance to do the proper unboxing, and that's when the first time you open stuff. And that's what I'm gonna do today. Today I'm gonna review the soldering station, which I've just ordered through Amazon. Because yeah, I need to have a backup station. And here it is. Let's see what's inside the package. The package, by the way, came a bit destroyed. You see, it's something here, something is going on here. You know, it's a thin, very thin cardboard, but it's Amazon packed, or Amazon Prime somehow packed. I'm ordering this in Sweden. It came quite fast here. I think it was within, yeah, maybe one and a half weeks. It was from the warehouse in Germany. YIHUA. That's what I have ordered. A soldering station called YIHUA. I think that's the right spelling of it. Maybe the intonation is wrong. What's that? Oh, nice! So we will have two unboxing videos. Fantastic. Let's keep it for later. Sorry for that. Alright, so this is the box for the original soldering station. Something is happening there. So that's how it looks. It says, yeah, it's a lot on it. It's basically 2-in-1. It's a soldering station and the rework station. Thermostatic soldering station and hot air rework station. That's exactly what I need. And I mean, I could have bought a soldering iron, but then I thought for like 15 bucks more, or for maybe 20 bucks more, I'm getting a combo from this brand, which seems to be reliable. People have had it working for like 3-4 years and then failing. I think that's a good investment from my side, and since I'm not using it daily, it's hopefully gonna last for a longer time. Let's see how that part looks. Alright. And you could see that the package was a bit damaged here and there. I think hopefully they were like checking that everything is okay here. So at the top we have the instruction. 2-in-1 anti-static rework and soldering station. Instruction manual 8786DI. What I have ordered is the upgraded or updated version of the soldering station. So let's see what I'm actually getting, because you never know. Okay, that's how it looks. All right, a bit destroyed packaging. Yeah. These are the tweezers. Oh, nice. It's a set of tweezers that should come with it. Great. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And they feel quite heavy, like durable tweezers. That's good. I like it. That's great. Alright. Some sort of wire with the alligator clip at the end of it. Let's see what this is going to be used for. The tips for the hot air gun. I guess I'm going to use the thinnest one most of the time. Yeah, we'll see. 4 of them. Starting from the thickest one, which is a square profile. I think it's 10 by 10 millimeters. And then the round ones, this one goes to maybe 8-9 mils, and then probably 6, and this is probably 4. I think so. Alright, another piece of this foam. Oh, and it's very static. Okay, the tips for soldering iron, and what I'm looking for is the micro tip. I think this is the closest I could get. I have my other station, which is the icon, the first generation icon from ERSA, German one, and I like it a lot, but recently the LCD panel failed. The diodes got kaputted, so I had to think of a reserve station, and that's this one. Okay, this is the iron, YIHUA 0907G, ESD safe. So that's my reserve or backup soldering iron. It's very lightweight, has this rubber kind of grip, quite okay to hold. ERSA is probably a bit more handy. It's thinner than this one. Oh, this is a good tip. That's a good one. Alright, and the way how it works is... Okay, am I doing it right? Okay, that's the heating element. It's a bit wobbling there. Does it go? Oi, okay. This thing is just coming out. I don't know if this is okay. What do you think, guys? Please leave a comment down below saying is this normal or not. It's just like that. Damn, I hope it's not broken. And it's this sort of white material that supposedly seals the thermocouple. Somewhere here is just cracks out, and it leaves the marks on my fingers. Wow, that's interesting. But then how do I change the tip actually? Okay, like that. Oh, all right, here we go. So this is how you insert the tip, and this kind of tube goes inside. Let's see. Now it just pushes the tip all the way up to the front. Then you put this one on. You can see the tip is going out here, so the tube is pushing it forward. And then afterwards, I guess you just... You know, I'll do it like that, step by step. Okay. Yeah, I don't like this. I mean, it should be fairly stable, I think, there. Interesting. I don't know, guys. I really appreciate your comments below if this is okay or not, because yeah, it could be a shame if it's broken from the beginning. I'm gonna put this one on. I don't know. There's a spring there, which also maybe says that it should be a bit wobbling like that. I mean, it should definitely compensate the thermal expansion of the element, so it should have maybe some play there, but maybe not like that. Well, we'll see. I mean, if it works, then I'm happy. If it doesn't work, then I hope Amazon could cover me here. Yeah, standard, I think, connector. The wire feels quite good. This is probably silicone wire. It's not super long, and it's definitely thicker than the one on the German station. But I don't care that much about that. It should work. That's the most important. All right, what else do we have here? We got an actual holder for the soldering iron. Alright, that's how it looks. It has this sponge that you're supposed to fill in with water. That will hold there. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. And then here comes the heat gun. Nothing else, I suppose? No, nothing else underneath it. Alright, let's check out the station itself. Has the wire, standard European plug, that's exactly what I've ordered, this is great. Has this nice siliconish feeling cable with the ground on it. It's good. Has some fuse at the back, on and off switch. Something else here, I have no clue what that is. Some sort of a scratch to check authenticity. Okay, I can do that of course later. On, there's a serial number. I mean, it's supposed to be a genuine thing. And this is what I was worrying about. The new ones, I couldn't find out how the front panel looks like. On some pictures it looks like this black and dark bluish buttons. On some pictures it's a bit more bright. So I don't know if that's the original one or not, but I'll try to investigate a bit further. And again, if you know for sure, then please leave your comments below. That's how it looks. It's quite compact. I mean, I can just, you know, put my hand all over it and it's just there. There are some screws over here that I think they would support this solder iron holder, and then it makes the whole thing very compact. So you could actually, yeah, you could actually just, you know, put the whole thing like that, and it will not take much space on your bench, which is great. This is very good design. I mean, I really like it. It doesn't feel very kind of, it's not heavy. Oh, or you could put it in here, you know, somehow like that. I don't know. Aha, look at that. You could actually remove this thing and then have something else over there. So yeah, nice. Some holes for screws over there. Yeah, let's look at the heat gun. A very important element of the whole thing. Has this soft cover at the top of it so it doesn't scratch. There's a marking S208F. Yeah, it says hot all over the place here. It's probably fiberglass reinforced plastic, heat resistant, standard I think configuration of the heat head or heating head. It's not super long either, but I would say long enough. The cable feels very good here. It's soft silicone kind of cable. Feels really nice. Yeah, and when you're done with it, I think you put it like that. And this holder has a magnetic switch, so it should turn on and off when you pick it up. We have to test it though. Let me try to do that right now. Yeah. Oh, it's a very short wire though at the back of it. So I don't know if I'll have enough length to get it to the power plug. Nope, I will not. But I'll do it in a moment. Alright, and I think I have to... Alright, let me test it in just a second and I'll get back. Okay guys, it took me a bit of time to get actually the power extension. It wasn't easy. But now I think I'm prepared, and I also got some measuring equipment with me. I got my thermal camera, this thermocouple, and also I should have a yeah, a thermometer here. Over here, I'll remove this one and this one. And here's the station. First thing I have done is that I have decided to replace the tip, because if I want to test the station, I don't want to spoil this tip. So I took the one which I will probably never use. It's the knife type tip. It's like this, and I did a quick test just down there in the power plug, and the temperature on the station was set to 300 degrees. And this thing was red. I think the temperature exceeded very much 300 degrees. So I just want to make sure. That's why I took all the measuring equipment to see if this station does not regulate temperature properly. But let's do the test to see how it actually works. Oh, sorry for that. Good. So what I have here, as you could see, it heats up pretty fast. I've turned this one on. So now it's 200 degrees, 220 to 50 to 60, 70, and then it should reach 300. Oh, the refresh rate is not that great. 300 now. It reached and stabilized. On the screen it's blinking because of the refresh rate of these numbers, but I actually don't see it blinking in any way. That's the video. But let's see what the temperature actually is here. Yeah, you could see that. What the hell? Look at that. 377, 299, 377. Come on. What the hell? How is this thing even working? 455. Are you kidding me? What the hell is going on here? $420, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh my God. 80, 87, 90, 533 degrees. Are you guys kidding me? What the hell is going on? It just keeps heating up. What the hell? What the hell? I mean, this thing goes only to, I think, 300 degrees, and I have to actually calibrate it. Where is that? Is it in the image mode? Yeah. The distance should be 0.3. And it's the hotspot. Yeah, I think it goes. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. It gives this 5E thing. 5E. What would that mean? Cool hot. What the hell is that? What am I doing wrong here? But this doesn't seem okay. I think I will turn it off because let's see, this one goes to 1000 degrees, and but the spot here is quite small, so it might be hard to catch it. No, I think this is the best way to measure the temperature, actually. Oh my God, look at that. 620. No, this is not okay. This is not okay, and this is SE. I'll turn it off because that's not good. I mean, the whole thing is pretty hot, pretty warm. Let's look with the FLIR. The handle is, no, this is okay, 40, 150 here, which is fine according to FLIR. Yeah, I don't know, I think this, no, okay, so you could see it's just, it says it outside of the range of the device. This one works up until 300 or even 280, so this is way above the range. This one, I'm trying to use it in the scanning mode to see if I can catch. Actually, I have min-max here. 140. No, this one is more precise and more accurate. What? It does not cool off. It does not cool off, guys. 550 degrees still. 560, while the station is actually turned completely off. Look at that. The switch is powered off. It's blinking. And the temperature stays on around 550. There's definitely something fishy with this station. It's, ooh, okay. Now it's getting really warm here. And this part here was quite warm. No. Whoa! What was that? Did you see sparkles? Or sparks? It doesn't cool off. 530, 540, 550. No, this is not okay. This station is not okay. Why to turn it off? Now I could even smell it. You know, it smells with the, yeah. Damn, I'm a bit afraid to turn it back on even now. What if I'll, okay, it's 300 in here. Can I, that's the airflow, this little knob here. Let me put it on 250, let's say. All right. Okay, this one is heating up quite fast. 250. I guess 250 I can measure with the FLIR. Yeah, it's around 200 inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, 250. At least yeah, the hottest spot there is 250. Don't want to overheat it or anything. Let's try the, yeah. You could see it's like that. Yeah, this is pretty warm. You won't dry a hair with it. Let's put it to 200. Yeah, this is quite a good adjustment. You set the temperature, it blinks, which means it would go down. Look at that, this is beautiful. Right? This is just beautiful. $216, $220. Oh, sorry, it's a bit off the... Yeah, this is okay. It says 200 here, about that temperature in here. And if I put it back, it should just turn off. And it goes down, actually. Just goes immediately down. It's pretty good. I guess that's the program, so it should cool down until the normal temperature. Yeah, now it's okay. It's the temperature of a hairdryer, maybe a bit more, 118 degrees. But I'm a bit scared to put this one on, honestly, guys. No way. Look at that. Look at that. This is 560. 560. And this one is totally turned off. This is not safe. This thing will basically burn your house. Damn it. Oh my god. I think I should immediately contact back the provider of this. And look at that, it's turned off. In here, there's nothing on the display, and this thing is just above 500 degrees. 550. What the hell is that? Yeah, it says 296, huh? And then some sort of an error. I think this is the error. There's something wrong with the brain of the station. Okay, guys, but this is the review. I guess I was a bit lucky to get this review a bit more interesting for you. This is fantastic. I will reach the provider of it, and we'll see what the resolution will be there, because this is not okay. I will just turn this thing completely off, and I hope that this will make it cool down. I'll give it a couple of minutes to cool down, and meanwhile I'll observe if this one is cooling down or not. This one is 47. Because the problem I saw that someone had with the station is that he put it on, it turned off, but then the heating element did not turn off. And it was some sort of a mechanical failure plus the failure on the logic of the device. Here it's 99 degrees. It's around 100. I guess it keeps it warm, so when you pick it up, it kind of preheats the element. But when you completely turn off the station, which I just did with a power switch at the back, it should actually cool down. 93, 92. I will manually cool it down. That should do it. A couple of degrees should go off by now. Yeah, seems like it's working. You know, around 60, 70. So this thing is just okay. It should be 30 centimeters away, so you don't get the MS6 is not working properly if you don't do that. And you have a reflection here, of course. Sorry for that, guys. But you get the idea, right? Alright, so at least half of the station works. The half that I was thinking I will get as a bonus. But the thing which I really needed, this thing, does not work. Let's give it a last try and see if it actually cools down with a power switch off on the back side of it, which is like a main power switch. Yeah, I think it cools down. Now it's only about 200 degrees and goes down a bit, you see. Oh, that's a bummer. Then I don't have a station, unfortunately. Yeah, it's still hot. 150. Ah, that's nothing. So that's a bummer. Yeah. All right, guys. I think that was it. So, what kind of conclusion I can do? Whenever you get something, yeah, from this brand, you know, out of the cheap segment of the market, check that, test it right away, so you don't get yourself into a dangerous situation like this. I mean, I left it for like, you know, maybe a couple of minutes when I was looking for the power extension, and when I came back here, this one was glowing red, and I think the metal starts glowing around 600 degrees or something about that, maybe a bit more. So this is not okay. Yeah, I will follow up and try to let you know how it worked out for me. And I think that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hit the like button, and of course subscribe to the channel. This will help me to develop it and bring the more new content like this. And yeah, see you around. Bye bye.